So what's up everyone, and welcome back to our channel in another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to archive signed documents in Docusign. Firstly, log into your Visitor Management Admin dashboard and look at the left navigation bar and click on Integrations. Head over to the Document Signing section, locate the Google Drive. Today we're going to see how to archive signed documents in Docusign. So firstly, go to your cloud archiving or storage integration settings inside Docusign. Check the box for Include Certificate of Completion if you want to automatically save the official audit trail alongside your signed contract. Now, if your envelopes typically contain multiple files, select Combine all envelope contents into a single zip file to package everything into a neat compressed zip folder. Now navigate to the file name and folder path customization fields. Type the plus sign into the text fields to pull the list of dynamic metadata fields. Select options like the template name or recipient names to ensure Docusign automatically renames every archived PDF according to your exact business tracking rules. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this. And drop a comment down below letting us know what to cover next. And I will see you on the next video.